Hello all, myself Rajeshri Kumbhar, Assistant Professor from the Department of Information and Technology at the AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In our data-driven world, how do we actually find what we are looking for? Every day we engage in two fundamentally different quests. Sometimes we need a single precise fact, while other times we need to explore a vast topic for the most relevant ideas. Mastering both requires different tools, different methods, and different way of thinking. By the end of this session, you will be able to define and illustrate data retrieval with a practical SQL example. Define and illustrate information retrieval using real-world search query. Pinpoint the critical differences in a clear side-by-side comparison and identify where each system is used in the technologies you use daily. Think of it as two different words. Data retrieval is the word of certainty. It's a structured and precise. Think of it like an archive. Information retrieval is the word of relevance. It's about exploration, contest, and discovery. Think of it like a library. Let's dive into part 1, the word of certainty, data. Think of data retrieval like using a vending machine. You enter a specific code and the machine gives you exactly the one item associated with that code. Data retrieval refers to the process of extracting specific and exact data from a structured database using a well-defined query. It operates on organized data, usually in tables with rows and columns. Because the user knows exactly what they are looking for and uses a formal language like SQL, the outcome is binary. The system returns only the record that perfectly match. There is no ambiguity. Here is data retrieval in action. Imagine we need the record for a student with a specific roll number 101. We use the query select star from student where roll number equals to 101. The condition is unambiguous. If the record exists, it is returned. If not, nothing is returned. Crucially, there is no ranking. The result isn't more or less correct. It either is or it isn't. We rely on data retrieval where accuracy is non-negotiable. This includes banking systems for checking exact account balances, college database for fetching exam scores, and payroll systems where an employee's salary must be calculated exactly based on their ID. Let's transition to part 2, the word of relevance, information retrieval. What is information retrieval? It is more like asking a knowledgeable shopkeeper for a good snack. They don't give you one correct item but instead suggest a variety of options ranked by what they think you will like best. Information retrieval or IR is the process of obtaining relevant information from a large collection of unstructured or semi-structured data such as text, web pages, videos, and images. Instead of formal code, users express their needs using keyword or natural language. The system then finds many potentially useful documents and rank them by relevance. The focus here is on usefulness, not exact matches. Consider this scenario: an engineering student needs a new laptop but doesn't know where to start. They might search for best laptop for engineering students. This is a query with no single correct answer. The system uses complex ranking algorithms to determine the most relevant pages, prioritizing being helpful over finding an exact string match. Information retrieval powers our access to world's knowledge. It is the imagine behind Google search, YouTube, and digital libraries like IEEE Explore, where you must search through millions of hours of content or vast archives of research papers to find what you need. Let's look at them side by side. Data retrieval deals with structured tables and focuses on accuracy through SQL queries, whereas information retrieval deals with unstructured documents and focuses on relevance through natural language. While DR gives you a single matching record, information retrieval gives you a ranked list of documents. For technologists, this distinction is crucial. It is the foundation for understanding how search engines work and provide the context for complex ranking algorithms. Furthermore, it is essential for evaluating system performance using matrices like precision and recall. As an engineer, your job is to solve problems by choosing the right tool for the task. Data retrieval is your scalpel. Use it when you need a single, correct, verifiable fact from a known structure. Information retrieval is your compass. Use it when you need to navigate vast, unknown territory to find the most useful destination. Master both, and you will be equipped to build anything. Thank you for watching.